Again, a very interesting phenomena happening in the anatomy. That is the anatomical hug formed by the two roots of the auriculotemporal nerve. As we know, the auriculotemporal nerve takes origin by the two roots from the posterior division of the mandibular nerve, and in between the two lies the middle meningeal artery surrounded by sympathetic plexus. Now, these sympathetic fibers, they have to reach the vessels of the parotid gland because they are vasomotor. So, the two roots of the auriculotemporal nerve forms an anatomical hug around the middle meningeal artery. If there would have been no origin by two roots, the middle meningeal artery may be away from the auriculotemporal nerve. So, the sympathetic fibers going to the parotid would have been less. But by two roots, maximum fibers of the sympathetic fibers, they jump into the two roots of the auriculotemporal nerve, and through the parotid branch, these vasomotor fibers, they reach the blood vessels of the parotid gland. So, two roots origin gives two benefits. Number one, they ensure the sympathetic supply to the parotid gland by capturing the middle meningeal artery in between the two roots as an anatomical hug. And by two roots, maximum fibers, sympathetic fibers, they can reach the parotid gland.